And you are the way I am here. No one who say, you won't memma. You won't memma waiting actually in total, the total, my idea. Fix the country, or my idea is not fixing. Now fix the country when you be. And starting with, Ankasa. Who did it guys fix the country? No one marry me. Who marry me? Who to choose see me? Ah, what is our frustrating health sector? Who we are about the country, say, health insurance in your the patch of this country, no, and started so we got me. Now, what I was so Diane when you're wishing you are born, man. What for when you try to go down in to see you? G by Nicoso. Face the country, where then and Yans and Yas about everybody. What else would I have? Jarry me, if you want the country to be faced, bath twice and may this the health sector. Yes, mamma. And that dear, you become ranty and I say. And you are the way I am here. No one who say, you won't memma. You won't memma waiting actually in total, the total, my idea. Fix the country, or my idea is not fixing. Now fix the country when you be. And starting with, Ankasa. Who did it guys fix the country? No one marry me. Who marry me? Who to choose see me? Ah, what is our frustrating health sector? Who we are about the country, say, health insurance in your the patch of this country, no, and started so we got me. Now, what I was so Diane when you're wishing you are born, man. What for when you try to go down in that to see you? G by Nicoso. Face the country, where then and Yans and Yas about everybody. What else would I have? Jarry me, if you want the country to be faced, bath twice and may this the health sector. Yes, mamma. And that dear, you become ranty and I say. And you are the way I am here. No one who say, you won't memma. You won't memma waiting actually in total, the total, my idea. Fix the country, or my idea is not fixing. Now fix the country when you be. And starting with, Ankasa. Who did it guys fix the country? No one marry me. Who marry me? Who to choose see me? Ah, what is our frustrating health sector? Who we are about the country, say, health insurance in your the patch of this country, no, and started so we got me. Now, what I was so Diane when you're wishing you are born, man. What for when you try to go down in that to see you? G by Nicoso. Face that Femi can wait, Namako Pedri and Vidia, men can be copying your channel. We all claim to be Christians, but Obia got our 100% interest. Obi wo nyema go ya to petrol mu ne o goods no order that to petrol mu ne pe no atotum ya buy ho po without fear or favor ya buy ho obi ti ko ta de 3 cities not the budget 12 cities not in the trust this aka say e wi ase ya di o no me mo ya di o we are not na say dem ye shiva o fix your mindset oh my Ghana na be ya eye nyina yesu kura bedi yeso na musuma ye kwame ne kwamo a ye bebre ye fix your fucking mindset. Fix your mindset. This is me call I bring the sisters Abraham MTTU forward tradition there omudina kwa ho na drive be do no discussion the license more the amount but you know na the bayana. It is very good that we've all decided to fix the country. But it starts with fixing our mindset and attitude. Ghana, we are member of parliament. They don't care. They are white yet. A long serving member of parliament is Honorable H.A. Mensa. A year back, about constituency no one quiet to Obama. Yet to Obama MP say, Omekwe yana. Upebibi, our government agency. Now we need boss now. Forget it. Let's fix our attitude. Oka says si kwanwa for triangle see a chain and we and family boom. Fix your attitude. Fix it. We are Jumo ECG. Call our customer care center. Yeah, for our womfa. When him say apia, fix your attitude. Fix it.
Yeah, me ya we asene say, papa ni be wawie na afa na mo bone samrane. Papa ni be wawie na afa na mo ka kire say, one the first president who was able to do free education for the whole Ghanaians. Papa ni be wawie na mo ka kire say, one na eti kuo bi e friend napko. My friends are unemployment graduate people. Papa ni be one more kind of force I catch them me say. One the president and no train here phone. One no na be mu na udi na tem kura no on kahwe. Papa ni be one more catch them say. Ku for da be mu na utimi tra kwa mu ton no ma. Na ye du abaye bi ama. Na abaye bi ama. How kind of for? This is the kind of people you are. This is the kind of people you are. But the name of your kufa is on physical. You don't come together as a journalist. You don't come together as a bloggers. You don't come together as a citizens. And when I catch them, some more bad citizens. They're famu chichiro. More bad citizens. They're famu chichiro. Citizens are the muchichiro. This is a dear time and Sanama video. And just you can't someone go abiso and Sanama follow ye. And just you go wufi and Sanama me a star. Me pesta biayo. Masa me born bro. Chale me serious yo. Chale I don't depend on MPP and yo. Chale I know where I came from. Oh. I know where I start life from. Me catch on me to family yogurt. I'll never stop saying this. I know the Ghana I belong to, no. Obi mo obi o. Obi a person kumyo. Including our every parliament. Every court to them. Every handful. Every Kufaru Kwane is different to me. And you people are disgracing him as somebody you never hear in Ghana. Mu kuru ufise obi amonte mu ne no ma pa na se mu ni suma da wo Ghana. Hey. Ene ka wudi na tema wa edi. Hello. Ya nya ohwe. Na na do de wudi na tema. Obi antwechew. National security kura yedin. What do you say? Yeah, Mr. Papa, when he said Mra, because of so, or ye nimni, or ye lawyer cassia, Mra, and no believe it to me, the Jagana for, or Magana for Kennedy. Say, Mra Dianado, a corner who you know, and I want to know what you know you. A teacher for now, who you come you, not go you, comparison who be no, kind of for what control you. Propaganda na edo. Entro na edo. Yamu no fini enemy yo. Yansa no Ghana for ya yo. Enti emra. Nana emra na dia ba boy yan for ma wo twene ehun. Yan nyama wo so mu ko school free. Enyanka na nwusia mo bra wa for na me kasa ma wo mu no. Wo mu tina ma ba social media. I don't deserve to disgrace myself or to talk on social media. To insult anybody, I'm nobody to nobody. But I care for your good things, your good dream. And Ghanaians are not buying your good dream. So which I was not even like those people they call themselves graduates. But I care what you're doing. Ghana ni a railway sinyajimo. Journalists be at me can want some do. Omo faso kotofo suntaleshe. Womu jamu ho ekoba journalist bi antimi ankotan radio station anka wasam but atem de die etimi tena woye atem de die etimi damne ho blogger na Ghana journalists nya mo ye blogger and the bloggers no kura ye come anim e wo followers senemo because of that you guys are so disappointed to the country bloggers no e followers because ye di atem. So journalists are Ghana nyina start at media. Have pay followers. You are ashamed of your qualification. You are ashamed of your so-called the name you put in yourself, journalists. And you journalists be to say Captain Smart. And it was you a journalist and no be broke or a broker. Don't tell me say Captain Smart TV. A TV station be out. And I mean Sabato TV na metiano. Me nyani package wo. Niana me bia ma de o man koye obi adwuma ansa ho me bia me Sabato TV no by myself by my dream. I didn't go to any journalism school and I was not even going to school to learn anything about journalists, but I can talk as a good citizen from Ghana. I can educate my brothers and sisters to get a good mentality and knowledge to change their life to become better life. I tell you, who journalists in the crowd we have no. Nyansa nya tina dem tremuni bi. Eso me ton family ki yogurt me bo shine. Me catch say me ma brabo betimi abeche wo brabo. I'm telling you. I don't need to express myself on social media. But with my common sense and my knowledge. It is a journalist here. Why don't you fight for your citizens? Ghana here will problem.